Best bites forever.
Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Best Bites Forever. Today I am making this roasted red bell pepper and goat cheese panini. It is going to be absolutely delicious, so let's rock it out. The first thing that I need to do is roast these two bell peppers. So what I'm going to do is take a pan. I lined it with foil just for easier cleanup, and I'm going to put my bell peppers onto it. These are going to go into my oven directly under the broiler on the top shelf. I'm going to rotate them as they cook, and what I'm looking for is a black and charred skin on the outside. You could also do this on the grill. So this is what you want these dudes looking like, and we're going to take them from here and they're going to go into a bowl, glass or stainless steel, covered with plastic wrap. Go ahead and put them inside here and then cover the plastic wrap over the top and let it set for like 10 minutes or so. What we're doing here is we're steaming the skins off of the peppers. While those are steaming, I'm going to go ahead and cut up my bread. I want to cut this into about 1/4 inch slices. And I'm just going to set this off to the side for a minute. Okay, so now it is time to peel our bell peppers. We'll just go ahead and open these up. I have another little bowl right here. That's where I'm going to be putting the skins as I peel them. Ooh, those suckers are still hot. I might open this up and let it cool down for a second, but as you can see, the skins just come right off of there. See that? So I'm going to finish doing this. I'm just going to go ahead and assemble right over my panini maker. I have my thinly sliced bread, and I'm just going to brush that with a little bit of olive oil and then place it just like so on there. Then I'm going to go ahead and add a smudge of goat cheese, and this isn't hot yet, so goat cheese, spread it. I want to make sure that I cover this bread entirely because this is going to be what keeps my bread from getting soggy and keeps it nice and crispy. Next I have my bell peppers, and you can just kind of tear these like that to fit and load it up as much as you want to. So here I have my top slice of bread, or what will be my top slice here in a second, and I put goat cheese, but I'm also going to go ahead and take it up a notch, of course, you know it, and this is just a little bit of peach preserves going on there. I thought it'd be a nice little sweet complement to what we have in there already. You could also do some hot peppers in here if you wanted to. Okay, so I got my basil, and I'm going to put my top piece on and brush it. Did you see what just happened? That sucked. It's alright. Brush it with some olive oil. I'm going to take everything off of here, including the sandwich, and heat up my panini maker, and then I'm going to press it. Alright, my press is nice and hot, so on it goes. Whoop. And press it. I went ahead and gave it a little friend back here also. So this is what it is looking like in there, absolutely gorgeous and ready to come off of the press. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull it off and plate it up. And this is what it's going to look like when it's all plated up. Hey, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so now, and I will see you in the next video. Happy cooking, everyone.
BestBitesForever.com